realm of riddles.
You are secretly a very experienced cheater. You and your gang of cheaters are raiding another casino tonight. There is good music all around, making you feel like you are in a 90s mafia film. Your criminal partner, Gerald, has tinkered with the roulette wheel so that it will fall on a precise number. Gerald was supposed to tell you the number, but he's been caught and is being escorted out by security. He subtly throws you a poker chip and a scribbled piece of paper. On which roulette number should you bet? Pause the video now to solve the riddle for yourself. The scribbled note actually represents a mathematical equation of the 4 cardinal points, corresponding to each Roman numeral drawn onto the poker chip. The equation says to multiply the west numeral by the east one, and to subtract both the north and south numerals. Therefore, the equation is 9 times 7, minus 4 and minus 20, which equals to 39. You bet on number 39 and become rich overnight, thus helping you bail Gerald out of jail.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please like the video and subscribe. Share the video with your friends. Let's hit 300 subscribers by April.